So continuing to get some good video from the Soyuz craft itself as it closes in on the International Space Station. If you keep your eyes on the numbers in the lower left corner, that top one is the range away, so right now about 412 meters away. And that bottom number is the rate of closure. So right now closing in at a rate of about 1.3 meters per second. And at this point the fly around has begun.
10, 17, 13. And the range rate is 396. We see that the range rate is decreasing.
And again, getting a look now at the Russian segment from the camera on board the Soyuz spacecraft.
It's 240 meters. And the range rate is 0.34 meters per second, and we are in the fly around in the pitch maneuver. We copy. We copy, everybody.
They're now getting a view of the Soyuz from one of the external cameras on the station. This fly around almost complete. Vehicle just about lined up with that Poisk docking module.
We see the docking mechanism.
Soyuz attitude thrusters firing as it enters into the final stages of this fly around, getting ready for that station keeping.
Range is 0.75. We're in the roll maneuver, counterclockwise. And did you copy? We confirm final approach. Copy, final approach. Okay, and the station is now rotating in the other direction. And we are still in the roll maneuver. Moscow copies, Aidyn. The range is 193 meters.
So the Soyuz still doing this attitude roll to line itself up with that docking port. Once it gets lined up, they'll be ready to begin the final approach.
We are increasing the range rates, and the range is 176 meters, and range rate is 0.82 meters per second. We see the docking mechanism in the center of the VKU. Range is 150 meters, and range rate is 0.79 meters per second. We see the docking mechanism on the video monitor right in the center, and we continue with the final approach.
So less than 60 meters to go, closing in at just under 0.2 of a meter per second.
So the range is 38 meters of a car closed.
indicator is illuminated. So the range is 35 meters and the range rate is 0.15. The target is in the center of the periscope. We are monitoring the final approach. Copy, Aidyn. Please continue providing the reports, Aidyn. 25 meters is the range, and the range rate is 0.11.
So just about 20 meters to go. Unfortunately, losing our video comm with the external station cameras for a little bit, but continuing to get good video from the camera on board the Soyuz, communicating through those Russian ground sites that they're currently flying over.
So the roll is going away. The target is in the center of the periscope, and the crosses are aligned. The target is in the center of the periscope. The roll is going away. So the misalignment is not more than 1/2 of an axis. The range rate is within the norm. The target is in the center of the periscope, and the crosses are aligned, and there is no roll anymore.
And just about 10 meters to go. We'll stand by now for that contact and capture.
7 meters is the range. Everything is within the norm. The target is in the center of the periscope.
Soyuz almost arrived.
We are ready for the contact. 5 meters is the range. The range rate is nominal. Just 1 degree below. We are receiving the image, but it is with distortion. We're standing by for the contact. There is contact. Mechanical
and
contact
and capture confirmed. 2:39 a.m. Central, 3:39 a.m. Eastern Time, while the station and the Soyuz are flying just over the northern border of Kazakhstan, between Kazakhstan and Russia. So again, contact capture confirmed. The Soyuz TMA-18M arrived at the International Space Station following a 2-day journey from Kazakhstan.